The expiry time in binary options trading is a crucial factor that can significantly impact your success. It represents the duration within which your trade remains active, determining whether your prediction about the asset's price movement will result in profit or loss. Choosing the right expiry time is essential because it directly influences the accuracy of your analysis and the alignment of your trading strategy with market conditions. Short-term expiries, like 60 seconds or 5 minutes, are suitable for volatile markets, or when using strategies like scalping, which rely on quick price movements. On the other hand, longer expiry times, such as hours or days, work better for traders who base their decisions on broader market trends or fundamental analysis. To choose the best expiry time, consider factors such as market volatility, trading strategy, and the time frame of your technical analysis. If you're analyzing hourly charts, aligning your expiry with that time frame ensures your trade has enough time to play out as anticipated. Additionally, market conditions such as news releases and economic data should guide your choice. For instance, during high-impact events, shorter expiries may lead to unpredictable outcomes, whereas longer expiries allow for stabilization. Another critical aspect is your risk tolerance. Short expiries often come with higher risk and potential rewards, while longer expiries provide more time for trends to develop, reducing impulsiveness. Beginners are advised to start with moderate expiries to balance risk and reward effectively. Understanding the dynamics of expiry time can make a substantial difference in your trading journey, allowing you to optimize your strategy and increase your chances of consistent profitability.